one of our property management clients that we use owns the travel lodges around Ottawa, and these signs, there's 3 of them here, were all rusty looking and sort of looking kind of decrepit. So we came in and we scraped and painted these huge signs. Like this one here is in really rough shape, and I've got a really good video from the view from above, and it's been weathered, hasn't been done in quite some time. So we actually used on this back sign here, we used a zinc based primer. It's really thick, super expensive, but it inhibits rust. Rust is always going to come through. We're always fighting rust, but this product worked really well, especially on the bottom part of this big sign. The extent of the rust on some of the screws and bolts that are holding this thing in place was really intense. So flying colors painting, that's how we roll.